So here we will discuss about uh, there are two methods for determination of the producer equilibrium. First is total revenue and total cost approach, and second is marginal revenue and marginal cost approach. So here what if is there when it is depend upon the two different situation, when the price remains constant and when the price falls with the rise in the output. These are the different points are there. So first of all, we will discuss about here about the producer equilibrium when the price remain constant. Here you can see in the table that the output is increasing day by day, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but the price is same every time, 888 is. So how can we find out the total revenue? So we can multiply the output and the price with each other here. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 14, 8 six are 48. Now if we want to find out the MR, marginal revenue, what we have to do? We have to just uh, divide minus 1 by NR TR to n upon minus TR and n. So 8 directly you have to write, then 16 minus 8, 8 you got 24 minus 16, 8, 32 minus 24, 8, 40 minus 32, 8, 48 minus 40 equals to 8. So here you got the total marginal revenue. Now the total cost is equals to, so we can find out that how can we discuss about that. So TC is given, and when we minus the uh, TC by 14 minus 6, we've got the 820 minus 14, 6. Likewise that for find out the profit, what we have to do, TR minus TC. So we got the profit. Here we will get the highest profit, means 4. That is a situation where we got the highest profit, means when the output is 4, price is 8, total revenue we get 32, total cost we got the 28, total marginal 8, we get MC or MR we got the 8. So total profit equals to 4. That is the situation where the producer equilibrium situation it is called, you can say. According to the schedule it is written here. And now we will discuss about, I will explain this thing with the help of this figure also. What happened, the producer equilibrium is determined at the O cube, okay, and then the level of output corresponding to the point K here, K, or you can say E here, E. And as this is the point, MR or MC is equals to each other, and MC is greater than MR when after that MR equals to MC or AR, you can say, because already I told you that MC, MR or AR equals to same. In the previous revenue chapter we studied about that. So output of the shown output is shown on the x-axis, the revenue and the cost of on the y-axis. Both AR and the MR curve and straight line parallel to the x-axis. MC curves is the U shape. Here you can see this MC curve is a U-shaped. Producer equilibrium will be determined at the OQ level. Here you can see on the output corresponding in the point E here, that it is okay, because only the point E, the following of the two conditions are met: MC equals to MR or MC is greater than MR after MC equals to MR at the output level. So this condition is showing here with the help of picture, with the help of this figure. Now we will discuss about again the second example is given here to you for the same prices. If the prices are constant, then what is the profit and how can we discuss. Now we will discuss about when the price falls. If the price falls, what happened, we can discuss. So what happened in this condition when there is no fixed price and the more output can be sold only by reducing the price? MR curve slope downwards. This will happen. First of all, we will see the table. Before that, I will explain you when there is no fixed price. Okay, and the price falls with the rise of output because we want to say more and more output, whether the price we can less than, but we want to sell the more and more output. So what we are doing, we will reducing the price. So this has happened. Producer aim to produce that level of output which the MC is equals to MR, and MC curve cuts the MR curve from the below. With the help of table, first of all I will explain you table, then I will show you the figure. Output 1 2 3 4 5. Price was when the output is 1, price is 12. When the output is 2, price is 11. When the output is 3, price is 10. Likewise, that they are reducing their price. Now the total revenue we get, TR we have, MR we have, and MC we will find out from the TC. So we will get the profit. What is the profit is here? You can see that in the green line, when the output is 3, price is 10, TR is 30, TC is 18, MR equals to 8, so MC equals to 8. What we have to do, we will minus TR minus TC. So we got the 12. This is the profit of the producer equilibrium he achieved when he was sell the output 3 units. So we can help understand this thing with the help of this figure also. Producer equilibrium is determined at the OM level here. Okay, and then level of output corresponding to the point E. This is where the MR and this curve is met to each other. As at this point, MC or MR both are, and MC is greater than MR and MC equals to MR at the output level. Here you can see this is MC. At this point MR, when we meet to each other, we can draw a line that is called OM. So OM is the output. So output shown that the x-axis producer equilibrium will be determined at the OM level of output corresponding to the point E. Because of this, following two conditions are met. Again the same here. So this can this is one more example. With the help of table you can understand this thing. So students, we can say about that is the producer equilibrium refers to that price and output combination which brings maximum profit to the producer, and profit declines as more is produced. A producer is said to be in equilibrium when it has no inclination to expand or to contract in the output. This state either reflects maximum profit or maximum loss. Thank you, students.